Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best replacement tips is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining your AirPod Pros. Over time, the original tips can wear down, lose their grip, or simply get damaged, which can drastically affect sound quality and comfort. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about choosing the perfect replacement tips to keep your listening experience top-notch. Number 5. YUWAKAYI Ear Tips for AirPods Pro. These replacement ear tips feature noise reduction holes, just like the originals. This design helps to maintain the best noise cancellation performance for your AirPods Pro. You'll enjoy a more immersive listening experience. Each ear tip includes a built-in dust guard screen, mirroring the original design. The one-piece molding ensures they are secure and won't easily detach. You can wear them confidently during any activity. Made from soft, high-quality silicone, these ear tips are incredibly comfortable. The ultra-lightweight design ensures a pleasant fit, even during extended use. They are designed to feel great in your ears. These ear tips are designed to fit seamlessly with your AirPods Pro and second generation. The secure connection means you won't have to worry about them falling out. They also fit perfectly in the original charging case. The set comes with a storage box to keep your extra ear tips safe and clean. It includes different sizes to fit you and your family. This ensures you always have a spare pair ready to go. What we like. These replacement tips feature noise reduction holes, just like the originals, ensuring the best noise cancellation. They also come with a dust guard screen and are made of soft silicone for all-day comfort. If you are looking for the closest experience to the original AirPods Pro tips, you should consider these. What people say. These ear tips fit perfectly on my AirPods Pro and feel just like the originals. Super comfortable, stay in place, and the noise reduction works really well. The silicone feels high quality and they snap on easily. They fit perfectly into the AirPod Pro 1, doesn't affect the sound quality at all either. Just as good as the original tips. Come with S, M, L sizes. Easy to fit. Great quality, can't tell the difference between these and originals. Number 4. Comply AirPods Pro 1 and 2 Memory Foam Earbud Tips. Tired of ear pain? These memory foam tips are designed for all-day comfort. They adapt to your ear, providing a customized fit for hours of listening pleasure. Do your earbuds constantly fall out? These tips offer a better grip than silicone. They stay securely in your ear, no matter what you're doing. Want a better listening experience? These tips block unwanted noise. You can elevate your sounds at lower volumes and protect your hearing. Worried about compatibility? These memory foam tips are made for Apple AirPods Pro Generation 1 and 2. They provide a comfortable and secure in-ear fit. Want to keep your tips in top shape? Clean them gently with warm water and a soft cloth. Avoid alcohol-based cleaners, as they can degrade the material. What we like. These tips are made of memory foam that molds to your ear for a custom fit, eliminating discomfort. They stay securely in place, even during workouts, and enhance the audio experience by blocking out unwanted noise. If you prioritize comfort and a secure fit, you should consider them. What people say. The fit test passed immediately on one side, and the other just needed a tiny adjustment. Plus, the sound quality improved, and I noticed quicker transitions between listening modes. They seal better against outside noise than the stock tips, and they're more comfortable for my ears. Number 3. Comply AirPods Pro 1 and 2 Memory Foam Earbud Tips. Tired of ear pain? These memory foam tips are designed for all-day comfort. The body heat-activated foam molds to your ear for a customized fit, letting you listen comfortably for hours. Do your earbuds keep falling out? These ear tips provide a better grip. They are engineered for the perfect in-ear fit, so you can move freely without distractions. Want a better listening experience? These tips block unwanted noise. You can elevate your sounds at lower volumes and protect your hearing with these replacement tips. Are these the right fit? These memory foam tips are made for Apple AirPods Pro Generation 1 and 2. They provide a comfortable and secure in-ear fit and won't interfere with charging. How do you keep them in good shape? Clean them gently with warm water and a soft cloth. Avoid alcohol-based cleaners or lotions, as they can degrade the material. What we like. These tips are made of memory foam that molds to your ear for a custom fit, eliminating discomfort. They stay securely in place, even during workouts, and enhance the audio experience by blocking out unwanted noise. If you prioritize comfort and a secure fit, you should consider them. What people say. The fit test passed immediately on one side, and the other just needed a tiny adjustment. The pain disappeared instantly, and the comfort is unbelievable. Plus, the sound quality improved, and I noticed quicker transitions between listening modes. Number 2. Link Dream Ear Tips for AirPods Pro and Pro 2. These Link Dream Ear Tips are designed specifically for your AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation. They fit perfectly, ensuring a secure and comfortable listening experience. You can even charge your AirPods without removing them. Made from high-quality silicone, these ear tips effectively block out external noise. They also maintain the original sound quality of your AirPods Pro. You'll enjoy a richer, more immersive audio experience. The soft silicone material provides a comfortable fit, allowing you to wear them for extended periods without ear fatigue. They also stay securely in place, even during workouts or other activities. Each set comes with a handy storage box. This protects the unused ear tips from getting lost or dirty. It's a great way to keep everything organized. When replacing your old ear tips, remember to remove all parts, including the white cup. The installation is simple and quick, so you can get back to enjoying your music right away. What we like. These ear tips are perfectly compatible with your AirPods Pro and are made of high-quality silicone. They are designed for comfort, and won't slip off even during exercise. If you are looking for a simple and reliable replacement, you should consider them. What people say. They're really durable and identical to the original. Same noise quality as originals. They come in multiple sizes, S and L, ensuring a perfect fit for any ear. Number 1. Foam Masters Ear Tips for AirPods Pro, 1st and 2nd Gen. These ear tips have been completely redesigned based on user feedback. They are super soft and shaped more ergonomically. You'll be able to listen better with these new foam tips. Exclusive to our Black Magic Ear Tips, ISO 9 blends comfort, durability, sweat resistance, and grip. The semi-permeable layer makes a world of difference. You won't believe how comfortable they are. Experience better active noise cancellation and natural bass response. These will enhance your listening experience. You will hear the difference immediately. We've mastered the fitment, accounting for every detail. They are designed for a secure fit. You'll find they stay in place perfectly. Each ear tip is tapered at the front for a deeper fit. The rear is widened to fit the natural groove of your ear. This design provides superior comfort and stability. What we like. These tips feature a new generation of memory foam that is super soft and ergonomically designed for a better fit. They offer improved noise cancellation and a natural bass response. If you are looking for the best sound quality and a secure fit, you should consider them. What people say. The fit is amazing. They connect to the AirPod with a satisfying snap. For optimal fit, crush the foam between your fingers, then place in your ear, then let the foam expand into your ear. I found this to provide a nice seal, and they're just as comfy if not comfier than the originals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.